What's up, guys? That's the one I bought from Lowe's. Jinrock, 6,500 wattage. So there's a 30 amp in here, right there. With that 4 prongs outlet, the breaker, right here, the fuse. So uh, the bigger one, the one if you can get the bigger one, like 15,000 wattage, the one with gas and propane tank and automatic start with the battery in it, that's more better. This one is manual though, you have to crank it up. So just for a little bit of power. So if you want a bigger one, it runs all the house, you get the better like 15,000 wattage. It's more better. Oh. Okay guys, this is the one I get from online. So the inlet box right there, 30 amps, 125 to 250 volts. So this is the one I get from the wire right here. So you can tell guys, you can never mess up because there's a black and red, that's a hot, this mark right there, X and Y, either both X and Y, that's hot. So the green is ground, the white is neutral. So supposedly it goes like this, the box, if you buy online, inlet box. So there's a 30 amps, 50 amps. 50 amps is different than 30 amps. It's more big, like the wire. It's like 6. Yeah, I believe it's 6 gauge. This one is 30 amps. Gonna be like 10 gauge. So let's see. So this is all you need when you buy in Lowe's right here, a flexible hose, 3/4. It's up to you if how long you want to be, how long it's gonna be. This one is designed for outdoor, 3/4, and two 90s elbow. See this? Two of them like this, and circuit breaker, 30 amps, 2 pole right here. 2 pole circuit breaker, that's 30 amps. So if it's 40, if it's 40 or 50 amps, it's gonna be four legs right here. So this is two pole. Okay guys, and the wire is like right here. You can buy whatever you want, and how long it's gonna be. This is 10 gauge. So it is gonna be like really big. 50 amps is gonna be more bigger the wire. That's 6. So this one is 10. So this one's designed for 30 amps. Right there. So I'm gonna show you in how to put the wire inside what they call this, inside the flexible hose. So all you need to do is like wrap all 4 together, and if you have a grease or brown grease or grease is there, you can put right there to make it easy when you pull it up. Right there, right here. See, and pull it up by your there. See? A little bit of patience. I never put some grace in it. So right here. Oh shoot. I messed up. There we go guys. I try to put black grace. I try to find my black grace right here. So put in the tip right here in the entrance. Maybe that one is messed up because it's not lubricating. So this one is good. Just a little bit. Just to lubricate the entrance right there. Okay, right here. Show you now. Okay, maybe that one is more. It's gonna be here. Okay, right there. Okay. Thank you for this. You see, it's more easy now. Yeah. Get better right there. Where this was hard, but I don't know where this was hard. Let's see. Oh. There you go. There you go. Oh, just be patient and have to do this shit stuff. Right there. Again. Really. Oh, so sad this. So got it right here, guys. It's almost done. Right here, put in the pull wire right here. Let's go. There you go. Got it right here. Okay. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Right there. You got it. Right there. See? This is the one now. Right here. There you go. See? So now, here we go. That's it. So this is how you put the wire into the flexible hose. Right here. Here. Be careful of this Sharpie here. So now, when you put the elbow, see this elbow right here? So this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like here. See? So now put this one in flexible hose. Right here. Flexible hose. You see this? Right here. Put this one. So right here. Right. Be patient. Almost. That's how you see there's a thread, so you can put inside right here in the flexible hose and twist. Twist clockwise. Right there. Right there. See? That's how you do it. Right there. Then this one, see this? Must be in the other opposite side. Supposedly this one first, but that's fine. It's not a big deal. So I'm gonna put in the other side. My bad, but that's alright. So it goes like this. So supposedly this one first, then that one, but it's alright. It's gonna be okay. Right here. You can buy this one in Lowe's and Home Depot. See this? So this is the one who sealed this. See that one right there. So then put this one, the elbow. Put the elbow right here. So here, put the elbow, this one. This one is going to be done, so it's going to be one at a time, okay? Because I know it's really hard to do this one. Just, and right there. This is my own idea, so I don't know the other guys, the one with the license, electrical license. I don't know if this is right, but this is what I'm doing. It's easy for me. But you can do whatever you want. It's as long as comfortable when you put the wire. This one is not. This one is good for me, so I'm good with this. See, that's how like you can do it. This one, guys. It's more. You know how much is you charge for this electrician? I don't know, maybe 400, 500 bucks. But you can do it by yourself. If you're not really sure, then you can hire an electrician how to do it. But that's what I said. That's why there's a video and I show it to you. I don't have experience. I don't have a license. I'm a ordinary person that I work with this here. See, it's almost there. Almost there, right there. See? So now I'll put this one. See that? Then right here. That's how it works. Alright, guys? The same thing with the other one. And the other side, the same thing. This side, same thing. The same procedure. See? The same procedure. You go like this. So the first one, that's my bad. But this is supposedly the first one. So this supposedly this is the first. And like that. So this is Sharpie. Right. And like I'm gonna cut this one later. But this is how it looks like. That's one. Right there. See? Like that. Then, and this is the one, the next one, the one with the put it in the flexible hose. That's how it looks like. Then after that, same with this one. Put this elbow right there. We're good to go. All right, guys, you got it. Okay, this is how it works. Then this one's from the knockout box, whatever box you got, panel, and the other one from an inlet box too.